Hello everyone and welcome to the video. In today's lesson we're going to be building a knowledge base using Adobe RoboHelp. We'll be creating a fully searchable website containing all our policies and procedures and all the knowledge you want to convey to your users. It will be web-based and therefore be able to be used on an intranet or published to the internet. And this is what it's going to look like when we're done. It'll be fully searchable. You can choose any topic you like. We'll have a table of contents to ease navigation for your users. So if you're ready, let's get started. The first step in creating a RoboHelp project is to launch the application. Once it's loaded, just click on the new project icon. From there, give your project a title, choose a save location, and then click Create. There you have it. It's created all the assets needed for your project. Topics include all the content for your knowledge base, such as text, images, videos, and tables. To create a topic, make sure the Author tab is selected, then click on Contents, and then click the plus sign and choose Topic. Give your topic a name and click Create. And you'll see your topic is created and ready to be edited using the WYSIWYG editor. Alright, see you at the next video. Once you've finished creating and editing all your topics, you'll want to add them to a table of contents. To do so, make sure the Author tab is selected, and from the left-hand toolbar, click on Table of Contents, and you'll see that there's a default table of contents already created. To automatically create a table of contents, just right-click and under Table of Contents, click Auto Create Table of Contents, select the following options, click OK. And there you'll see you have your table of contents. You can edit them by dragging and dropping them to create the order in which you'd like them to appear. So I'll create the default, the welcome page being first. Once I'm done, I just click the save icon. Alright, see you at the next video. Once you've finished creating and editing your topics and adding them to your table of contents, you're ready to generate your knowledge base. So to do so, click on the Output tab, and you'll see a variety of output presets already available to you. If you don't see the one you'd like, click the plus sign, choose the Type drop-down menu, and you'll see a variety of content types you can publish to. But we're going to use the frameless output type. This will create a website that we can use internally on an intranet or publish to the internet. So we're going to double click on frameless, and we're going to choose the RoboHelp title. We're going to choose the output path. This is where our web assets will be saved. Then we're going to click on the Content tab. We're going to choose the default table of contents. Our default topic will be the welcome page that we created earlier. And now we're ready to publish. So to do so, click on the ellipsis on frameless, click Generate. And now we're ready to view. So we'll click on the View icon. And there we have it. Our knowledge base has been created into a beautiful website with a search engine and everything. We can click on a topic. We'll see our table of contents that we've created, as well as the content in our topics. Alright folks, so that does it for this lesson. I hope you had a good time. Good luck building your knowledge base, and I'll see you at the next video. Alright, bye-bye.